Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox pomegranate with orange juice. This is something that we definitely need to try during breakfast. For this, I have peeled one large orange and de-seeded it completely. I'll also peel a medium pomegranate and add it to the mixer jar. We'll add one piece of medium-sized ginger nicely chopped. We'll top it up with some fresh mint leaves which are nicely cleaned as well. We'll top it up with some ice cubes to beat the summer heat. We'll add some lemon juice to provide us with a tangy taste. We'll add enough water to submerge all of this. Before we add more ingredients, we will nicely grind it. We will run the ground juice through a sieve so that all the hard particles are out. We will top it up with some salt, follow it up with some roasted cumin powder, add some kala namak and nicely mix it. We'll then add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox drink is now ready to be had.